This video shows my project for microcontroller technology. First of all, don't take everything too seriously. Some scenes are purely for entertainment. This is me. I am doing a dual study program in degree program Applied Mathematics and Computer Science. My project is a cat doorbell which plays music if the cat stands outside in front of the door. This idea arose from the following problem. When my cat is outside in our garden and wants to come in, he cannot tell or knock on the door, so that he only can go out if I can constantly see the door. So I developed the cat doorbell. The question is what we need for a cat doorbell. First, we need a microcontroller. In this course, we use the RP2350 and we use the programming language C++ with the library YAHAL. For the sound, I used the Boost XL audio board where you can also adjust the volume with the control on the right. I recognize if the cat is at the door with the RFID reader. Here we have 2 cards and 2 chips, but I only use the chips here. I also need cable and a cat harness. My cat only goes into the garden with a cat harness, so that's not a problem for him. Additionally, I printed a box for the RFID reader using a 3D printer. How this is constructed? First, I put the Boost XL audio board on top of the RP2350 and connected the RFID reader to the RP2350 with cables. Here I show you the exact connections. If you're interested in, you can pause the video now. How does the cat doorbell works? The RFID chip must be held in front of the reader. Then the reader can read the chip, plays music, and an LED lights up. After the chip is detected, the song plays for 15 seconds. The 2 following scenes shows you how it works.
So schnell ist keiner irgendwo. Speedy-Bee, Speedy-Bo, von Nogales bis Madero, die schnellste Maus von Mexiko.
Now I show you how it works if the RFID reader is in the box.
So schnell ist keiner irgendwo. Speedy-Bee, Speedy-Bo, von Nogales bis Madero, die schnellste Maus von Mexiko.
So far, everything has been successful and I have to try it with my cat. But as you can see, the cat is not motivated to test it and wants to hide and sleep instead. So I asked our dog. At first, he was still motivated until the chip was attached to his collar. In the beginning, the chip was strange for him, but with enough cookies, he was eventually persuaded and he is a very fearless dog, so it's not a problem anymore. Now I show you this with an open door.
So schnell ist keiner irgendwo. Speedy-Bee, Speedy-Bo, von Nogales bis Madero, die schnellste Maus von Mexiko.
Finally, I can show you the entire setup. The cables can be laid through the door frame. In the next scene, I activate it again. However, this time it's done manually because the dog needs a break.
So schnell ist keiner irgendwo. Speedy-Bee, Speedy-Bo, von Nogales bis Madero, die schnellste Maus von Mexiko.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.